For women, coming to makeup, a lot of makeup, we have found that there are unsafe traces of lead and cadmium. But you have spoken about natural makeup. And now, of course, we know some companies which are coming with those, lip tints which are made of jamun and pomegranate.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
tell me a natural way of making makeup and using makeup at home.
See, you have to use like a few herbs we were using in our place. Kayoni is one like we use, and the pan pata juice we were using in that.
Okay.
And you have to just take the juice of this two, and then take a small white cloth, thin cloth. You take it, dip this cloth into this herb juice, and dry that cloth, and take that diya. We will lighten up the diya, no, the light.
Yeah.
So in that you just put the till oil, just put in that.
Yeah, sesame.
And then make this cloth as a diya making.
Is that batti, na?
Yeah,
What
batti.
you
You
think?
just make that, and in that you have to lighten it up.
Okay.
And lightening it up, you have to cover it with a mud plate. Cover it off. Slowly you have to do it. So that all the black thing, while anything is burning, that black thing comes, that all will come on this plate. And that plate, once when it is completely come, that's a black powder, you will get it. Take it. You can mix it with castor oil. Take that powder, mix it with castor oil. Actually, castor oil helps for good eyebrow growth.
Yeah.
All that we apply. Just mix it with that. And add only like 1 or 2 drop only you need.
Yeah.
Don't need much. And then keep it. Your kajal is ready.
And how do you apply it?
I have a brush. By a brush or a stick you can take it and apply it.
Okay, nice. Lipstick.
The lipstick, see the even beetroot juice, and one berry comes, the Malabar spinach. It's a plant, it easily grows here in Bangalore. That berry is also very red in color when you take it. All this, any red color, the juice, you can just take it, mix it with the soya wax, no? Just heat it up and like a liquid, mix it. That is your lip balm, you can use it. As your lip balm.
Okay, wonderful.
Yeah. And even in our childhood, for our face and all, we used even the tender leaves of teak. Teak tender leaf, no? It also gives you like for the blushing, like it gives color.
Anti-aging auntie is $1 trillion industry. So what is that herb-based anti-aging skincare routine that Aunty Anitha recommends?
Anti-aging is actually not only for the skin. You have to see even the hair, skin, in all that. So it has to start from internally first. Amla, gooseberry. It actually has a very good vitamin C in that. It's very good for even skin glow, and it has good collagen fixing. No, it's very good. So take one amla every day. You can make it in chutneys or juice or anything, like have it as a regular routine.
If you enjoyed watching this content, you can watch the full in-depth video on the Body to Being podcast hosted on Shlloka YouTube channel. To continue watching shorter pieces of this content, you can subscribe to Shlloka Clips on YouTube. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on Spotify. Pranam.